All right, this will be the trade recap for Monday, June 16th, 2025. Had last week off of trading, so we're back, feeling refreshed and ready to go. Key level today that I was watching was this 6070, 6075 level. Looking at this recent trend, it was this high that had a pretty nice rejection. But then looking back here, started out as a support level, turned to res again, support, resistance, resistance, support, resistance. So it's a very key level. And then this rejection here was why I was mainly watching it, in more of like a recent term point of view. So I was basically watching for if this level could break with aggression for some sign of buying on the retest of this level to hold for a move into this next key level, which was around 6100. So looking at the market, we get this nice rally on the open right through the level, and we start to consolidate here before this next rally. And I get my entry here at 9:30. Let's see, 9:34, I believe. 9:35 is when I get my entry. Sorry. But the way I got that was on this aggressive rally at open through this key level that I had marked out already. We left this low volume node. Now the price is going to look different because I still need to adjust my Bookmap for contract changes. So like right now, price is at 49 on here, but it's on the chart it's at 102. So we're about 52 points below where price actually is on here. Anyways, on this aggressive move right here, this zone left behind this low volume node, which when we came to retest it, buyers defended. So here's that aggressive buying that open that leaves behind the low volume node. And then we start getting some pushes back into this level that get defended. This first aggressive retest into this level is where I get long, stop loss down below here. Get that retest, hold, get a little bit of a push. We come down and test the low volume node a few more times, right there and right there, and then eventually push, get some nice buying. On this move here is where I get my first scale at 2R. Then we retest a little bit, hold, and I push, or I should say the market pushes up into my next targets where I end up getting out. And then this last one was a trailing stop. Here's the proof. Here's my entry. Right here, I meant to put in a limit sell for 2R right here, and I accidentally bought. I luckily got in and out at the exact same price, so that really just cost me about $5 in commission. But yeah, that's just that. Here's my first scale at 2R. Next scale getting out a little bit more, and then the rest of these are just getting out some at my target areas, just trying to maximize the profits. Overall, we ended that trade just over 11 points on 4 points of risk. So it was a nice 2.78 RR multiple, and it's good. Yeah, no, that's going to be it for today. Caught that nice move. Just break and retest of one key area. Looking for price to gravitate into the next key area. Got good confirmation. Held through this chop. Patience was tested, but held strong. And we had a nice trade.